Woo! Nasa mountain today admin war. Okay. Okay. Woo! Speed. Let's move the game for the best. Okay. Smoking the product now. Ako. Come on, I will get you the keyboard challenge. Who are you? Guys, I go ready. Let me write that down. Sammy. Let me jump at him. Kill him. Kill Sammy. Nobody likes to kill a brain rot. Leave him, man. I'm not waiting for this guy. It's coming. Brain rot portal. Brain rot attack. Mario brain rot hiding that I'm not and just there's a brain rot. All these Royal Garden Tower. Destroy him. Oh my god, he's being so big. Getting stronger. Kill him! Kill him! Getting out of control. Monkey, kill him! I had really like this moment from them. No. A monkey versus a white yellow guy. Yellow guy. Hello. Fight, mister. Finally, destroying Jungle and Royal Garden. Ah, my! Get out, Jungle. I can't watch. I think this is Jungle. Say goodbye to Royal Garden. To the peace, oh no! There's one thing we forgot to accomplish, Sunny. The game. The game! Oh, it's me! But also the player. All this game means me is here. There's one. Look at me in the ground. Look at me. Look at me running. Woo! There's so many of you. Wow! Ah, stupid dummy. Panalo! Kill him! Kill now! Time to end this admin war. Okay? Sammy! Burn him alive with your lasers! I'm banning you from Royal Garden. Ikaw laro ba sa ng Royal Garden? Ngayon na. Stupid nigga. Hey, that's Thank you. Always happy to help. Ano na to? Scarwell na. Tingnan mo. Nakuha ko.
Tapos na.
Di pa. Ano to? Wala ka. Di ko nag-join. Pero to. Delaying this admin cutscene by 2 weeks after that. Pero mo, wala ka sa akin. Di ko kasi nag-join eh.
Ano yung pet?
Oo. Di ko alam kung anong ginagawa nito eh. At meron yung brain rot gawa ng admin. Ayan. Di ko alam.
Bro.
Thank you for supporting the game. Thank you. I love you too. Ano? Green bean. Asan na yun? Ayan, dito isa pa eh. Di ko lang wasan. That was so awesome. I hope we win this war. Di. Pinakita ko nga sa'yo, diba? I hope we win. Oh. Kaya nga eh. Dami ko sprout egg. Rare na tong rare summer egg oh. Kasi nga rare eh, diba? Ito. Kuya, tira mo. Lemon lion. Ito rin, oh. Lemon lion. Ooh.
Sa ano?
Woo!
May anime doon na, diba? Movie ba yun?
Ito rin, oh. Apple Gazella. Ilang? Please. At ito. We made history tonight. Let's go! I love you, Jandel. I always like your... Ano to? This, not just grow a garden, but for Roblox. Woo! Oh, ito ba yung bago? Hindi. Naglalag ako. Buti hindi nag-crash yung cellphone ko, no? I feel like the games the last 6 months have been awesome. Ito rin po. Ito mo, Peach was. The night is awesome. I'm seeing it is the most exciting time ever. Ito mo, ang dami kong kitso. Binigay sa amin for free. Ano yun? Golden. Ito kuya, ito mo. Golden beanstalk. Binigay sa amin. Let's go! You're the best. Hindi, limited time lang yun. Kung sumali ka sa ano. Yung lemon lion, oh. Yung makakakuha nito. Ano lang to? Rare. Thank you for taking our events out. Playing our game constantly. Yes! I'm a try hard. Lagi ako naglalaro nito. Day and night. Song grinder. Kaya nga lagi ako. One more event. Thank you! One more event. One more event. Always a disco. Let's go. You know. Yeah. Driving in my car after a little. Hey, that bomb is shaped like Apple Gazella. It's raining tacos. Tignan ito. Ginagawa. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Hindi ko lang kung naririnig nyo ako, hindi. Ito rin ako, ito. Cute. Ito rin. Hindi, ganun ginagawa nila. I think Grow Garden 1. Ito is 1. Green bean. Apple, Gazella, lemon lion. Ginagawa niya. So, every 5 minutes, Roar supplies the brain at mutation to a random. Every 9 minutes, Roar and increase pet with citrus, granting bonus experience. Ang ganda na itong lemon lion. Leafy. Ito yung gusto ko. Fruits that have apple in them. 3% chance to duplicate when collected. Harvesting sugar apple crops have a 2.6% to apply warp mutation to a random fruit in your... What? When collected, harvesting sugar apple... What the... Wow! Saan yung travel ko? Travel! Kailangan kita! Sobra! Ano ba? Yan, naluto ko. Ano yan? Gagawin ko na. Harvesting sugar apple crops have to apply when rotation to a random fruit. Oh, okay. Let's go. Count-piece ako dun ah. Green bean. Every 29. Oh, let's go. They're the best. Let's go. Am I done? Not yet. Every 29.46 minutes, sacrifice a random beanstalk put in your garden to instantly grow a random plant with fruit size bonus. ability cannot be mimicked or refreshed. Ooh. Makes sense. Kasi kung pwede yan i-mimic at i-refresh, pangit na yan. Admin OP. Yung ginawa kanina ni Jandel, ang dami ko nakuha. Let's go, Jandel the best. Woo! Jandel is the best. Tulong. At ako. Recycle. Yeah, has returned. Why again? Yung ko na nito. Don't let the owl see you or else. Oh, alam ko. No, please don't do this to me. Why? Tulong. Oh, malamang. Sinusuporta ko pa rin kayo. Ako yung biggest fan nyo. Yay! Let's go! At dalawang Grandmaster. Let's go. Jandel is the best as always. He's always the best. Ano was Sammy trying to clear his name. It was. Let's go. Forever scamming. Let's go. Forever scamming. Yan. Okay. Forever. Nagawa mo. Every 24.51 minutes, flies to a nearby fruit and plasmifies it, applying plasma mutation every 9.57 minutes, things around the pet and advancing ability cooldown by, wow! Okay, ganda na ito ah. Ang ganda ng lahat, di ka naka-join. Wala ka na nito, kuya. Rare, super rare nito. Kung hindi ka naglaro, di mo na ulit ito makukuha. At parang ayoko ibigay sa'yo eh. Baka kasi mawala na naman yung account mo eh. Dahil kaya no. Okay. Green aura again. Sige, gawin mo. Gawin mo. Making sad talaga kung hindi ako narinig dito. Sobrang ingay na ginawa ko. The way feel can just okay. Beanstalks. I got you. Harvest tool. Watering can. Please, grow for me. Sorry. Grow, please. Sino meron na beanstalk? If 4 or more players hold the beanstalk, they get the OP beanbound mutation. No, wala akong ano. No, wala akong beanstalk. Bean. Let's go. I always play these games before. Ito na, meron ako ng beanstalk. Sorry guys. Guys. Bilis, tara na. Please, tara na. Coward. Slow sound trying to pretend grow a garden didn't invent admin abuses, bro. Sheesh. Anong inexperience ni Fringe. Lalaro siya ng grow a garden eh. Grow a garden. Mali. Baliktad. Still a brain rot. Yung pangit ng laro na yan. Sino ba kasi kayo, guys? Hindi nyo inaano yun. Guys, ano ba? Tara na. What the... Come on, Sammy, bro. No one thinks you're running here. Nangyari? Where is bro going? Paasi naman kayo. Di nyo ginawa. This is the first negative for everything. Banding. Nakakainis kayo. Ayan. Bilis na, Ming. Bilis na.
Joke lang.
5-second cutscene, then we start second. Uy. Nag-record ako dito eh. Ano ka ba?
Ulitin mo. Dapat, huwag mo na lang iparinig yung voice mo.
Yung?
Yung voice.
Ang hirap nga kasi ano. Kasi yung mga player dito. Inasar ako. Ba't di daw ako nagmamic? Inasar nga ako sa prospecting eh. You're not even good at the game level. Ano ba naman? So once Priap just to himself get caught again. Crash Kami. Ano? Ulitin ko. Wala na. Ni-record ko na lahat ng maganda. Kaya now run it back. Wait lang. Jandel, wait lang. Natulong. May reclaimer. I'm running it back in 2 minutes. Thank you so much. Reclaimer ulit. No, my... Okay, wait lang, Jandel. Daniel? Ayaw nga pala. Sa yung smoothie ko. Yes. The amount used was... No! Mahirap. Dinker. Ito. Let's go. I like this so much. Buti naman di pa bago, no? Scammy Sammy. Are you ready for an encore? Cook him alive! Cook him! Uy, lapit na to. 10 now. 61. Tanga mobile ako. Wala akong pake. Ang saya. Tira mo naman to, nag-glitch oh. Hindi gumagalaw. Nag-glide eh, no? Tira mo. Yan na. Glide. Wee! Tira mo, lemon lion, no? Prestige. Encore! Yan ang ginagawa mo. Sinisira mo yung electric pan, ha? Kinakalas mo. Sim lang yan eh. Bilis naman. Ay. Tapos magdala ka na French fries.
Para manunod.
Sunod ka lang. Ayaw Mobile Legends. yan. Of course, of course. Ang astig nito. Oh my God.
Bro.
Ay.
Uy, ang tagal mo na nagbablog. 31 minutes no.
Eh, wala akong ginagawa. Ano? Yung cool talaga nito. Hindi, ang ingay niya. Uy! Oh! Ang cool talaga nito. Lan, ang cool talaga nito ni Uing, oh. Bahala ka na dyan. Bahala ka dyan. Dito lang, ah. DJ Sam. Alien invention, baby. Under the sea, let's go. Bahala ka dyan, Uing. Ito! Mo talaga. Tulong ako. Lemon na yan. At lagi ah. Ito lang. Kakayak eh. Ito, paano yun naman na? Ito lang ano. Inbound. Ito naman kasi. Inbound. Kakabok ko lang mo. Ilan na ang raminate ko ano? Pero, ang gagawin ko ngayon, ito na to, aning ko yan. Nga pala, banana. Okay. Astig ka. Magluluto. Kaya ito na yan. Ito na yata yung ending. So, nga pala, meron na siyang anak ko. Cute. What? Wait lang. Gusto ko itong gawin, no? Pero wala pa akong beanstalk. Willow berry. Anong clue? Ano to? Oo ba yun dito? Asan yun? Hindi. Okay. Ano ba yung gawin? Wait lang. Ito. Mayroon ba dito bago? Wala. Saan yan? Saan mo makuha? What? Di ko gets. Saan yan makukuha? Saan yan makukuha? Saan? Ang kulit mo na itong golden goose nito. Ano makuha? You know? Finger melon. Ano makuha? Gusto ko malaman. Saan ba yan nakukuha? So, what are you selling? But it will be tiny. Okay po. So, wala. Walang bago. Ano na, ano? Unpercent na ako kasi yan. Ano gusto pa ako? Pa 20 mo. Ay, wait lang. Ano ba yung golden beans to? Ay, ang galing. Sobra. No way! Matapos na yung timer, oh. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I will give us in a cent. Okay. I'm not here to party. I'm over here to get it. What is this? Ano to? Wait lang. Oh. 我们树人去想想。Oh, golden beans chocolate. Let's go. Oops, wala na. Oh my god. Yun no. Let's go. Saan yan? Yun, molten. Okay na. Pagto mo na ito. Okay. Hindi ko alam yung password. Hindi ko alam. Wait mo na si ate. Ito na ano na to. Hindi, nice lang. Saan niya mapunta? Maganda ba yung ano? I have an idea. Okay. The chicken zombie. Oh yeah. Remember that. Di ko nakuha eh. The comments still exist. Will it work if I run it? Yata. You will never know, Jandel. Nabukas mo na, Ming. Guys, chicken jockey stock coming. Saan? Dito? Saan dito? Bagig. Okay, bagig. Paradise egg? How? Wala na paradise egg. mo sabihin? Wala ang paradise egg. Ha? Yan, ganyan ka. Wala na. Ito. Ito na naman. Dalawa nga lang kami dito eh. Kulit mo ah. Ika lang. Ano nangyari? Ano yung nangyari? Oh my god. Oh. Buti nagre-record pa rin ako. Stop! Or else I will kill you. Sure. Yes, I already invited them. They won't go here. I don't know why. Doesn't even matter how to try. Keep that in mind. Oh, I know. I'm the elder bean. Okay. Ayun, magkaroon ng elder beanstalk. Wow. I like the fireworks. 9-4? No sense at all. Kailan ko makuha sa ano ko? Dito. Fine, I'm giving out the chicken zombie. Yes! Let's go! Give it to me! Give it to me, please! Give it to me! I want it, please! Chicken zombie! Let's go! Chicken zombie! Kuya. Chicken zombie. Chicken jacket. Ako. Ibigay sa amin lahat. Oo nga. Buti lagi ako naglalaro ng event. Junkbot, umalis ka na dito. Meron na tayong bagong company. Every 29.14 minutes. 20. Should I do the grilled chicken zombie? Hindi ko alam. 20.28 chance. A nearby fruit becomes zombified. Increased egg hatch by. Wow! I mean grilled. Oh, yes! Gawin mo yan, please. Okay. Ganda na ito talaga. I'm so tired. Ako hindi pa. Anong pinapanood mo?
Ito lang.
Tingin. Nude. Baka. Boom! Sinapak! Ano yan? Peke? Slime?
Cotton candy kasi.
Cotton candy. But I can't let the bean army down. You'd never let us down, sir. We have to put together. Pull a rope. Tata. Pull them. We have to pull together a rope. Ano yung pupull? Hello. Ano yung nakuha mo mukha niyan? Carrot stuck inbound. Ooh, I want carrot. I like carrot. No. Buti meron akong maraming ito. Wait lang. Ayun o. Lahat. Di na ng kamay ko. Yung daliri ko pala. Ito naman.
Ano ba yun?
Carrot in the daming carrot oh.
Oh, 100. Wait.
Click and hold.
Ano ba sa pera?
Kaya nga.
Hindi mo naman gagamitin asa eh.
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang yung flex. Spice. Let's go. Oh my god! Bigyan na yung isa to. Ito pa naman ang carrot. Oh my god, ang dami ko ng carrot. Woohoo! Yippee! Dami ko ng carrot. At malapit na mawalan ng pera. Guys, if you join a private server, ano mangyayari? I can run the admin event again. Uy, key. I can do that. I can do that for sure.
Bola ko naglaro ano. Hindi yan na. Nasunod yung bola.
Ano?
Nagsibaan sila sa loob.
Ay, ito yan. Gusto yata nila mamatay eh. Ano yun? Ay, wala na. Bawal. Sira yung server. Di ma-load. Hindi ako makaano, alis. Hingle dangle. Anong pangalan yan? Medyo ako naglalag ah. I mean, I will run it. Hindi, wala na akong pa eh. Hala. Wait lang. Ah, tulong. Okay. Ah, naglag ah. Nalaglag. Okay, naglalag ako sobra.
Bila.
Ano?
Nabila ko pa siya.
Spray bloom. And then. But pinahirapan nila yan ah. Flamer. Good. Go to here. Protect glitch bro. Get ready. New servers will see the event again. Bago ba to? Okay, para. Lo. Okay. 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 No, no, no. Go, 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 go. Here go. Here go fast. Here go fast. Ooh, I'm controlling DJ High. Let's go. Kinokontrol ko siya. Muhehe. Kinokontrol ko si DJ High. Let's go. I'm just controlling him. As always. This event is just sad. Why did you get so emotional in this second? You will never get emotional. Talino ko talaga. Kinokontrol ko na siya. Ako na si Ratatouille. So, kinokontrol ko siya. Tagal naman na ito. Uy, ang ingay mo naman, Meng. Ano to? Tingin ko yata ito na yun. Na. No. Na yata yun. Hello. Hehe. Bing. Ah! What happened? Yung kata ito na yan. Okay guys, ito na yata yung dulo ng event. So, bye!